body has contained a lot of protein that can, through increasing in energy, they can absorb water to become semiconductor. But if we didn't want conducting energy or conducting electricity, we just dehydration. We just use a method to dehydrate the water content of the protein, and then it is not conducting energy. We can choose. Our body can choose when to conduct energy, when not to conduct energy, by absorbing or releasing water. This is a new founding. This is very important. Okay. Okay. All these things let us know much more about human physiology. How the body works. And how does, in fact, our body is well, and that kind is, we have LCD, okay? We have electric wire. We have energy production plant. Well, we can generate electricity by ourselves.
Yes.
You know that?
Yes.
The heart, the brain can create electricity.
Yes.
In fact, human body is an energy system. Human body is a very complicated energy system. This is a finding of some very, how can I explain? Let's see. Okay. The following, I will introduce some scientific giants. Not really giants. Okay, some scientific giants. My teacher showed me these words. Standing on the shoulder of giants. Let me see four. Okay. We have technology today, not because we are clever, because they did a lot. So, okay, we will introduce some scientific giants that their research, their discovery, let us know more about us, and let us know why something works, why something not working. The first time I come across this word, I didn't know how to pronounce, because don't try. I advise you, don't try. This is an Hungarian, not because he is Hungarian. It's Hungarian. The word, okay, Albert Sen Dodi. Dodi. How can you Dodi? Dodi. Dodi. He is a Nobel Prize winner. 1937 for physiology. Okay, he did a lot of research. Some related to other field, but some related to healthcare. Okay, we just summarize. Okay. Okay. This gentleman find protein fibers in human bodies are all semiconductor. Okay, this we have mentioned before. But this is important because we, in our body, when we need, okay, we can conduct electricity. We can let photon flow through. That means light can flow through. And in fact, later researchers also find that these protein fiber are also optic fibers. You know optic fibers? And that create a very new discipline called the cybernetic medicine. Cybernetic, okay, you know the words when you learn computer, almost everybody would know the words. That means bioinformation. That means, okay, a very complicated information network. In fact, every move, every breathe, every act create signals, and the signals flow through the body through electronics, through photons, through electromagnetic wave vibration. Okay. Okay, molecules, in fact, in our body. Okay, you see, these are all quantum healer. That means they see the body not from individual cell or individual organs. They see the body in atomic and subatomic level. You know? Yes. Okay. Molecules. Okay, the protein molecules, the fat molecules. Okay, the enzyme, right? Muscle cell can interact through electromagnetic wave. Okay. Where does the electromagnetic waves come from? Where did it generated? Okay, I know this is very difficult. I have asked a lot of professors in healthcare already. Nobody can answer. The first generator of electromagnetic wave is the DNA. Every DNA of our cell vibrating and emit a electromagnetic wave and electromagnetic field vibration both inside the body and outside the body. That explains why Chinese Qigong practitioner can feel the Qi outside the body. Okay, I just sit on the machine. Okay, just record the machine, and okay, you can use a detector.
Yes.
Okay, to sense the field. Okay, the field not just inside the body. The field is outside the body, around some 2 meters.
Yes.
Okay. And in fact, for a good Qigong practitioner, he can expand the electromagnetic field to 10 feet, some 10 meters. Okay, this explains distant healing. We can heal people in a telephone. Okay, and it works, and it's scientific now. Okay, radio wave. Can you hear about radio wave?
Yes.
Okay, what is that? It's a wave coming from radio. Okay, good explanation. Well, you know, our spaceship in far from the Earth. Okay, we can still communicate with the spaceship with radio wave. Okay, you see, and if we can adjust, we can tune the signal correctly, we can hear from a machine called radio. Okay, you can hear sounds, you can see TV from radio wave, far away from your home. That explains why distant healing works. We ourselves emit radio wave as well. This gentleman, okay, Albert Sandodi, okay, he just found molecule can communicate. Molecules need not to contact each other. No, it doesn't. It just emits some electromagnetic wave. Okay, this is a quite hard words to know, to understand. Okay, electromagnetic field vibration. That means the wave. Okay, they communicate. The first electromagnetic wave generator is a DNA. It's our DNA. In other words, every cell can emit this kind of wave. Okay, and the second generator is the brain. Have you heard about the word ECG, EEG?
Yes.
EEG, what is brain wave? And what is brain wave? Brain wave is the electromagnetic wave generated in the brain. Where? Which part of the brain generate? Oh, it is too difficult. It's a thalamus. Okay. Thalamus. Okay, hypothalamus, you heard, okay?
Yeah.
Hypothalamus is that small. Okay, but thalamus is quite bigger. It's more like an egg, a small egg. Okay, deep inside the brain. And it generates brain wave. And brain wave especially for creating sleep. Okay, brain wave for some hertz. Okay, say delta. Okay, delta wave. Delta is how much? 0.5 to 2.75. Okay, hertz. But never mind. A very low wave. Every second the brain. Okay, positive, negative. Okay, strong, weak, stronger, weaker. Okay, that causes wave. 0.5 hertz to 2.75 hertz is the delta portion. This is the deep sleep portion. In other words, this length of wave generated in the brain would cause our brain cells and some of the cells down to the body to create a deep sleep state. In other words, when you cannot sleep, it is very probably because of the brain wave problem. And you see the brain wave the brain cell here, the thalamus is here, okay, can create electromagnetic wave that control the adrenal glands, that control the intestinal movement, that control a lot of other organs without touching it. This is the discovery of this gentleman. Okay? Human cell can communicate with each other without touching each other. In other words, the heart can communicate with the kidney. Of course, the two organs cannot touch each other. Okay, the brain cell, in fact, can communicate with the lungs without touching it. But how? Electromagnetic wave. This is very important. When some physiological malfunction happens, sometimes it is the communication problem. People normally cannot sleep is because the brain cannot generate a certain frequency. Okay. Then this makes us know how to create deep sleep, how to make you dream, how to improve your memory. Because for memory, it is a hippocampus, and hippocampus, you know the. Okay, one organ's in the brain. One organ's for the brain for memory. Okay, the temporal lobe, another portion of the brain here, just above the ear. Okay, inside. Okay, these two portions of the brain is responsible for memory. But the cell in this two portion also listen to the brainwave generator. That means that is the thalamus. When the thalamus generate a high theta or low alpha brainwave, okay, the brain cell would be activated, and you can memorize better. Okay, if the brain can create a frequency at about 15 to 20. Okay, the brain cell here in the frontal lobe will be activated, and you could think better. Okay, In fact, many of the function of our human body, especially the brain function, is communicated through electromagnetic wave.